Thank you for coming to our 17th annual Patient Appreciation event. If you haven't made it before to one of our events in the past, this is an incredible experience and it's a token of gratitude from us to our patients. You are the reasons why we're here. So a round of applause to our lovely patients. Thank you. Our office is about our patients who trust us with their smiles, their health, and their families. So we would not be here without you. We would not be here without our team members behind the scenes pulling the strings to make the magic what it is. So we thank you all for always being here. So many everlasting connections we made throughout the years. So we are, again, thankful for you all, not only for tonight, but just, again, everything over the years.
When I first met him, he was not just looking at my teeth. He spent over an hour trying to explain what can be done and what needs to be done to give me the best smiles ever. And that's what I'm looking for, like a dentist like him. You can't find anyone like Dr. Long.
You know, I don't have enough words for how I feel about them. I wouldn't go to anybody else.
I will treat you as a family member. And this is when I decided to really take him as my dentist.